just introduced my friend. I'm Hannah Caldwell. I'm like so beautiful right now because I'm getting ready for a Halloween party. Put your hand away, Mark. Whatever your name is, Wiener Nosed. Well, so there's our cat Gravy. There's his cat Gravy. But anyway, let me see the kitty. Don't give me that cat. It's an evil cat. Stop, Lucy. Get that thing away from me.
Why, you don't like cats?
I do, just... Well, so, here he comes. Lucy's friend, as I call it.
And yours.
And
And yours.
Lucy, stop. All right. Hi. All right. So apparently Lucy just told me, get off the gloves. All right. He's real. You need to understand that. So we're gonna bring him out. His name is Bubble Shrimp Nickies. He's a very odd man, but he's very funny. Scares a few of you. So, I'd like to introduce Bubble Shrimp Nicky! And his baby! That he's eating. Hello, Bubble Shrimp Nicky. How you doing today?
Stop.
So, we're on a new segment called Hitting People! But not me or you. So, we found this little boy hitting his grandmother the other day, and it just cracked us all up.
Your microphone is beeping.
And then, so, call us at 773-8917, because you know why? Because if you pushed anybody and hurt them like he did to his grandmother, she broke her back for 60 days. So, why don't you just call in? And here's another number for you, 773-89774. That's my dad's work number. Here's my mom's.
I don't know if I'm a girl or a boy.
All right, bye. Thank you.
Bye.